Just checked the pressure on this tyre and it was down to 20 when I'd left it at 40. So it is leaking somewhere, but there's no sign of where it's coming out. So I need to do some more checking. Right, don't know if you can see this, but it's somewhere here. There we go. There is the hole. Okay, so that's a start. Right, that is pressurised to 150 psi. Okay, right, nothing's happening with this, so I'm going to do the inner tube trick. Right, that has just caught on the seal. So the last hour this morning, just getting it sorted. So yes.